Now, ClickUp has no native feature to time block. And chances are you've probably seen quite a few hacks to work around that and to add that feature of time blocking within ClickUp, and are now wondering just which way would work the best for you. And I'm not just going to show you the best way to time block in ClickUp. No, I'm also going to explain to you why, so you really get not only the easy how to just do this, no, you will leave this video with the full understanding how this way of time blocking fits in your business, allows you to be more productive and efficient, and doesn't screw up your ClickUp while doing so. Now, the idea behind time blocking is your brain being able to stay in a certain area of types of works. I have mentioned that in the past videos. Don't go crazy, don't go all granular. I only want you to have 3 to 5 different types of time blocking categories so we really can stay on task for your business within ClickUp. Now, the idea of time blocking, as I said, is trying to keep your brain in line. With that, we have some admin tasks, we have your client deliverables, we have marketing and client getting. We also have some program and product development, meaning you taking care of your business. Yes, do not leave that time block out, because our goal is not just being productive, but being proactive in your business. Time blocking gives you that permission slip of, I get to work on my business too, not just in my business. So let's pay attention to that, shall we? Now, why am I preaching for you to time block using Google Calendar? As you can see right here in my Google Calendar, it's a separate day batching calendar. It does not interfere with my scheduler, because I don't want to be shown busy here and not be able to take calls, right? It does not interfere with my ClickUp. It does not interfere with anything. They are not even set to busy. They are not showing anywhere else. It is a placeholder for my time blocking in my business, where I then will assign tasks based on those time blocks. So, reason number 1, it doesn't screw with anything. It is a framework that is right here that you can build up on top of. Now, it's also easy to edit. If you are using ClickUp and ClickUp tasks to time block, you need to go into ClickUp and you need to find the right task, and you need to recur the task, and you need to edit the task. And are you editing the past task? Are you editing the future? It literally is just a placeholder. You go in here, you easily can move things around, you can rename things. It is so simple. As I already mentioned, it does not screw with your Google Calendar. It's a separate day batching calendar, and if you want to go all crazy, add your daily routines to it. Not saying that. We've talked about this before. Now, with this, it is a standalone calendar right in here that doesn't screw with anything else. It is just the framework that you are working off of. Now, ClickUp's Google Calendar feature of syncing all the things allows us to pull in this framework for time blocking into ClickUp. If for whatever reason your calendars don't show, you just need to show them right at the bottom, but I got another video for you on that one. Now we have this framework right here in ClickUp. It isn't assigned to you, which means it does not screw with your time management and your resource management right here in ClickUp. It's just a canvas you are working off of. And now what you do is you really just drag and drop these specific tasks onto the time block they are supposed to be in. Meaning you drag your client work into your client work time blocking area. You're needing to catch up on something and you got a backlog of tasks. Great, drag those into your time blocking segment of catch up and recharge. And this is really how easy time blocking can be in ClickUp without screwing any of your planning or resource management up at the same time. Now, the worst way of time blocking your business tasks within ClickUp, yeah, I talked about that, and you can see the video right here where I dive even granular in different ways that I have seen out there. People recommend time blocking in ClickUp, and I'll show you exactly why they don't work and why you shouldn't do them.